I'm gonna cook again. Let's shut up the Olympics. And I'm gonna make some leftover stuff. This is a newest thrift store pan I got. It's kind of nice. We're gonna put, I already cut everything up. These are onions and garlic. Sweating these down. And next I'm gonna add in some mushrooms. Again, I already cut them down. If I said medium, I was wrong. This is medium low. Whoa, that was more than I expected. And a terrible thing happened on the way to this trip. Well, let me double check the last place it could be, but I'm pretty certain I forgot my sriracha. There's no sriracha up in this RV, which never should happen. We'll come back. Now we got some orange pepper, about half an orange pepper. Pretty standard fare there. We'll bring those up to heat. That's good. I'm going to put these into a bowl. Not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Getting stuff in frame is not always easy. So next, we got some leftover chicken from another meal. I cubed it down, cut it kind of small. A little bit more olive oil is going to go in here. I'm kicking myself about the no sriracha, but I have some salsa, so that'll help. I'm just not going to cook with it. Alright, we got some Stubbs chicken seasoning. We'll put that in there. This was, since it was leftovers, it was seasoned before. But, ooh, yeah, I smell that. Unplug that. I'm going to put the chicken in the bowl. And then I'm going to wipe out this pan real quick. I don't have to get it totally clean, but I wiped that out pretty good. There's still a little bit of olive oil left in the pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to put down the tortilla, spread this stuff out in there. The mushrooms, the onions, the peppers, and now the chicken. Sprinkle the chicken around in there. And the cheese. Now I got mozzarella, so that's what I'll use. Normally, a quesadilla, you don't use mozzarella cheese, but you know what you use? You use what you got. And we have some Chi-Chi's hot sauce, so that's what it's going to get. A little bit inside, and we'll put another one on it. Turn it up. And then you get a pan, and we're just going to put some weight on it. Alright, we had an issue. So I was cooking and talking to a GoPro that wasn't recording. So luckily I wanted to make and eat another one. So here we go. Put some chicken in there. Spread it around. Because I keep finding ways to screw up filming stuff. Now we're going to use mozzarella because that's what I have. Normally you wouldn't do mozzarella in a quesadilla. You use what you have. Okay? Okay. Put the other tortilla on top. I'm going to put a little weight on it. Oh, I messed up. Take this off. Oh, this is trying to melt. We got some hot sauce. Put on there. Better. Okay. Alright. Right back on it. Put a little bit more cheese on it. Woo, it's getting hot. We're almost there. Oh yeah. Looky there. Does that look good or what? We'll call that it. I'll leave it in the pan for a couple minutes and get everything set up to plate it. Boom. Ooh, that's a hot quesadilla. And now, a little hot salsa in the center. Let's eat this sucker. Doesn't that look nice? That's what I'm talking about. It's not burnt. See, the color's good. light was playing tricks with it. Have a great and wonderful day. Can you see? Oh yeah.